Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Kyle's Corner. As you can remember by the last video, Dad broke this part, Skar, in the back, right there. So he finally got the pieces came in because he bought me a new set. So I have these pieces, which are the Nerf bars. Why did that name get out of my head? We have actual Nerf bars instead of 3D printed ones, and then we have the new replacement bulkhead. Because I remember. Okay, so I'm just gonna go through and do these. Hopefully it doesn't take too long, but my biggest fear that might be coming semi-true is that they're all connected, so this might be a longer journey than I thought. So I'll give you guys updates as it goes. See ya. Okay, found a light this time, but now back to where we were. I had to take the wheelie bar off to get to this point right here. And I actually replaced the Nerf bars while I was at it. Actually pretty simple. While the 3D printed ones had a clip up here, these kind of slide in and out. It's easier to see here. So instead of using a clip, just kind of slide in and out. They are softer, but lifetime warranty. Now for the actual roof bulkhead, had to take off the piece right here that was connected. Had to remove the wheelie bar to get to it, so that's why the wheelie bar is off. Pull out the pins. So as you can see, and now it's time to get to the actual bulkhead. So I just need to take out the remaining screws, top here and then down there, and this will just kind of just pop off. So that's the hope. Let's see how it goes. All right, well, I got the bulkhead off. You can see that the part Dad broke right there. There's a line there. Shouldn't be a line. Either way, that's dirty. Either way, as you can see, the bulkhead is off. You can see the gears and the differential. So I'm just gonna slap the new one on, pull the pieces back together, and Skar should be brand new. I had heard I pinned something. I finished putting the bulkhead, put everything back together, wheelie bars back on, the pins are through. A problem I did realize is that the little suspension here, when it broke, it also like popped out, so I had to replace the screw there and put it back on. So now the suspensions are back on. Everything is basically done. Skar's basically back to brand new. Just need to put the tires back on and we're done. So that's just been a quick little video of me fixing up Dad's mistakes. Next time he drives a car, I'll probably put him in an open field, but knowing my luck, something else will break. So see you guys in the next video, and yeah, deuces.